If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to SHIB video update today. And from the last time that I made about the video about SHIB is that we had SHIB breaking out of this pattern. So I'm going to show you. You had this resistance there, second resistance here, you had that resistance right over there, broke out, moved to the upside, and then you continue to actually go up. Now I'm a long-term investor in SHIB. I'm not bothered about trading SHIB at the moment, but long-term bags, my long-term bags, okay, amazing. My buying was nearly 840. Now the thing is that you're approaching a certain level of resistance for SHIB right now. But however, what I want to tell you is I'm going to remove this pattern again, and let me draw this one big level of resistance right there. Now you do have, in my opinion, the chances of coming up to nearly 1600. Now first of all, if you look on the daily time frame here, you do have a bull flag, a continuation pattern, right? And then when you broke out of that continuation pattern, you had something like from there to there, and then you have this one from there to there as well. And you potentially can even say that actually SHIB is looking for a further 31% move to the upside out of that bull flag. Now if you look at the daily, there's another pattern forming up, and that is this first bottom and the second bottom. And this is like Adam and Eve double bottom on the daily, because this is a narrow bottom and this is like a very wide bottom at the moment. So this is like a very small bottom right there and a wide bottom right here, and you pitch to the upside. Now the question is, if you see a move to the upside, because I told you before there was a downtrend that was broken, which was this right over there, and you can see that there was your resistance there, second resistance here, broke out, went for the retest, back tested. Actually you're looking to go up to 1666. This is where you're looking to go up. Now icing on the cake is if you break and take this high and you go up to nearly 1947 and come and back test 1602, and maybe do some little bit of a stop loss hunts and some drama, spend some time here, and then you spend some few more days, then you could actually be on a technical target again to go from the top to the bottom, and you can see SHIB can move all the way up for 3600 level, and that's going to be a nice big huge 122% move to the upside. And that's pretty much it for this update on SHIB right now. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.